Today topic of lecture monopoly market. It is one of the imperfect competition market. What is monopoly? A monopoly is an economic market structure where a specific person or enterprise is the only supplier of a particular good. It is called a monopoly. A monopoly is an economic market structure where a specific person or enterprise is the only supplier of a particular goods. It is called a market, monopoly market. In this market also, only one person or enterprise or free supply the one type of particular product, particular goods, particular service. It is called a monopoly market. Characteristics of monopoly market are features of monopoly market as follows. Single person or a free. No close substitute. Large number of buyers. Price maker. Supply and price. These all are characteristics, features of monopoly. First one is single person or a free. No close substitute. Large number of buyers. Price maker. Supply and price. These all are features or characteristics of a monopoly. One by one, I explain now. Single person or a frame. In this type of market, only one person or a frame in this market have only a single person or a frame or a enterprise have. It is a monopoly market. No other persons. Next one is no close substitutes. What is substitute? Alternates. Replace. Any purpose. Any use. Different products. That all are that purpose substitutes goods or services. In this market also no substitutes. Only one frame, only one product, only one person, not other same purpose products manufacturing in this type of market. Next one is large number of buyers. Who is buyers? Or consumers, purchase persons, users. In this market also have large, more number of buyers or users or purchase persons. These buyers are more in this type of market. Next one is price maker. In this market, who is decide the price product or monopolist or entrepreneur or business person or our product price is decided the monopolist or entrepreneur or manufacturer. No decided the users or buyers. That price is decided the monopolist or business person. In this type of also different type of price also differentiation. Now not same one type of price. That monopoly, you our relatives, our friends, give some variation. Consumer, the variation of the our product price decided in this type of market, not fixed. Based on the demand, more number of buyers coming. That time also your price also increase. Low number of coming, low demand for purchase. That time also price is low. You decided the our product monopolist or business person. Is the price maker, not price taker. Next one is supply and price. In the supply availability and price, you decided the monopolist. How much food is product, what price you decided our product. All are you decided to the monopoly or supply increase or decrease decided based on the demand. Same price rate also increase or decrease decided. These all are features or characteristics of monopoly. First one is single person or a free. No close substitutes. Large number of buyers. Price maker. Supply and price. Types of monopolies. This monopolies also different types, number of types. That all are as follow. Legal monopoly, government monopoly, private monopoly, limited monopoly, unlimited monopoly, single price monopoly, discrimination monopoly, nature monopoly. These all are some important types of monopolies. Types of monopolies: legal monopoly, government monopoly, private monopoly, limited monopoly, unlimited monopoly, single price monopoly, discrimination monopoly. Last one is nature monopoly. These all are types of monopolies. One by one, I explain now. First one is legal monopoly. In this type of monopoly, legally rights this type of monopoly. Only one person. You right of the legally. For the example, copyrights. Any you write the books that right to the author. All rights or printing, sales, distribution, etc. Not any person use that book printing or publishing without permission of the writer. Any not permission, you take their material, their book or printing and supply. You take the action legally, right of the monopolist or writer of the book. Patents also. Patent means any products, any goods or any new item finding any person. That person is that product, the technology, you monopoly. Not is the technology, that person without permission. Any take the not permission, use of our technology, our formula. You take the action legally, right to the finder of the technology or product. It is a legal monopoly. Next one is government monopoly. Monopoly means one single, any activity, any program you conducted the only government, not involve the private persons, all operation, that activity is a government monopoly. For the example, local government or state government or central government, any you take the any particular work, particular activity or people's running, operate. That is a government monopoly. For the example, municipalities, your drinking water supply, electricity supply, all are government monopoly. Next one is private monopoly. In this monopoly is the any private person, only single or single free, single enterprise. You operate the particular product singly. It is a private monopoly. Not involve the government. This type of monopoly. Next one is limited monopoly. And is also limited rights. You taking the decision of the price. Monopolist. Supreme. It is a limited monopoly, not take the own decision. This type of monopoly, you pricing or increase or decrease, depend the government, not take the monopolist or entrepreneur or business person. In this type of monopoly is the limited. Next one is unlimited monopoly. In this limited also, full you right taking the our product price decided. That monopolist or person or enterprise. It is a unlimited monopoly, not involve the government taking the decision of price or product or service. It is called a unlimited monopoly. Next one is single price monopoly. In this type of monopoly, all product only one rate, single rate, not variation. Our product rate is only one rate, any place, any time. That is a single price monopoly. Big companies or motor vehicles, that all places also one type of price. You collect the users. It is a single price monopoly. Next one is discrimination monopoly. Discrimination means variation, different. In this monopoly, you collect the price, different rates, different persons, same services, same product, same goods. Price is different. It is called a discrimination monopoly. For the example, doctor his treatment is same. Is collect the fees, variation. Rich people's also more. 100 rupees. Low income people or poor people, you consider some low amount or 50 rupees. Same treatment, same service. This is variation. It is a discrimination monopoly. Same that person also some business peoples, our relatives, our friends. Some variation of the price. Others also one type. Our relatives, our friends, another type. Variation in this price also decided. Monopoly. Monopolist. It is a discrimination monopoly. Last one is nature monopoly. Naturally, some type of minings available. Some places that all are natural monopoly. It is not created or persons. Naturally available of the more materials, that type of items, one place, one area. That area is the monopoly, that material, that products, that minings. It is a natural monopoly. These all are types of monopolies. First one is legal monopoly. Next one, government monopoly. Next one, private monopoly. Next, limited monopoly. Next, unlimited monopoly. Next, single price monopoly. Next, discrimination monopoly. Last one is nature monopoly. These all are types of monopolies. Next topic is monopolist competition. This is one of the important imperfect competition market. In this market is more number of buyers or sellers. Yeah. Product is differentiation. Every seller, different products, different quality, different size, different rate. All are differentiation. The type of product is monopolistic competition. Characteristics of monopolistic competition. Features of monopolistic competition as follows. Large number of firms or sellers. Large number of buyers. Product differentiation. Selling cost. Competition. Transport. Free entry and exit. Imperfect knowledge. These all are characteristics or features of monopolistic competition. Large number of firms or sellers. Large number of buyers. Product differentiation. Selling cost. Competition. Transport cost. Free entry and exit. Imperfect knowledge. These all are characteristics of monopolistic competition. One by one, I explain now. First one is large number of firms or sellers in this market have more number sellers or firms or manufacturers in this market. Not limited, not low, more number in the sellers or firms in the market. It is one of the character. Large number of buyers in this market have buyers also large, more numbers. Who is buyers? Purchase persons or users, consumers in this market have more number of buyers and sellers. Next, product differentiation. Product discrimination. In this market also, not homogeneous products, same type of products. This type of market, differentiation of every seller, every frame, different, not same. Each frame, each seller, their product is different, quality, size, price, quantity, brand, etc. All are variation in this market. No same type of product, same rights, same price. Not product is purpose is same. That brand is different. That cost is different. That color is different. That quality different. Size different. All are different. It's a seller or buyer. Seller or premiums. Next, selling cost. This is also selling cost also add. Every frame, every seller separately our sales purpose. You spend the some amount, expend or advertisements, campaign, provide the discounts, provide the facilities, incentives, benefits our users or purchase person. That purpose also add the selling purpose, some spend the cost. Next, competition. In this competition also, more number of sellers, more premiums in this market, more competition. That competition is two aspects. One is price based. Second one is quality or promotion, improvement, sales based competition. Next one is transport cost. In this market have transport cost also. Different type of products, so sellers or firms, you transport also different area you purchase. That all are different. Not all sellers or firms one place we purchase our goods, our services, our products. Each seller is separate place, separate areas. So in this transport cost also have in this market. Pre-entry and exit. In this type of market also, any seller or pre-enter in the market. No permissions, no restrictions, no conditions. Before the enter the market, anytime you willing or interested, enter the in this type of market. Same exits also. Anytime not interested running our business in this market, you drop. Before the drop, before exit, no give them any permission or government or fill the any formalities, any conditions in this market. Pre-entry and exit. Anytime enter in the market. Anytime go out the market. Exit the in the market. Next one is imperfect knowledge. In this type of market also, not perfectly knowledge market. Why in this type of market also every seller, every bring different products, different rates, different sizes, different qualities, not same price. So not require the total market knowledge in this type of competition market. These all are characteristics of monopolistic competition. First one is large number of firms or sellers, large number of buyers, product differentiation, selling cost, competition, transport cost, free entry and exit, imperfect knowledge. These all are characteristics of monopolistic market. Today we know what is monopoly market, characteristics of monopoly market, types of monopoly market, and characteristics of monopolistic market. We know. Today class is over. Thank you.